Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Kristen. I am a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Eyescream mystery box. This is probably the only one I'm ever going to be getting from them. I just wanted to try them out. The day you see this, if you've been here before, you know that I am going on vacation with my family, so I will be currently driving in my car towards the East Coast. So anyways, I thought I might pre-record just a little bit. So we have, yes, this box right here. I already looked into it. I already looked inside the box. So I already know what I got. But I will show you what I got. So you did get a little tiny flimsy little piece of paper here. It shows you what you got. So I'll set that aside for now. I forget how much this box cost. I'll have to look it up and I will put it somewhere here. But the first thing I am pulling out of here, wait, let me set the box down. Hopefully don't fall. Okay, so this is my Coacher blush paper. That is weird. I saw this package and thought it was going to be like rice paper to blot your face from oils, you know? So, okay. So it opens like this. It's like a little book and says, enjoy your newest love. And then it has how to blush on the back. Tear one sheet from booklet. Use one sheet for both cheeks. Gently rub colored side of paper in semicircle motion up the apple of cheeks. Interesting. Well, I'm not going to try that now, but when I get back. And that says, what does that say? That retails for $18. Okay. The next thing I'm going to grab here, this is a Velvet Dream Stick. There we go. What is this? Stina Face Dream Stick. And this retails for $15. Ooh, a thin boy. It's just a nude color. There you go. It's a nice color. Okay. Next thing I'm going to grab, this is Glam Queen by Ruby May. This is a mascara. Oh, this has plastic even on it, so this is what the packaging looks like. Oops. There we go. I'm not going to open it. I have tons of open mascaras already. Oh, and that retails for $17. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is Free Matic Bronzer by Duce or Duce. This retails for $40. Packaging is very heavy. This looks just like an eyeshadow palette that I got from them. So they might recycle it. Oh yeah, okay, I see. Okay, so it does come with a cheap little blush brush. And yeah, this is a magnetic palette. So you can actually take the blush out of here and put other things in it. So that's kind of cool actually. In case you don't want to actually use the bronzer, because I probably won't. Probably give it away. Almost down to the last thing. So, oops, I covered up the little paper. You know, before I show this one, I'm going to show this other thing, because this is kind of big. So we got a brush set. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is Beauty Creations. I reviewed, or showed at least, the Beauty Creations like color wheel full of eye primers. Okay, so the bag is cute. It's full of stars. It looks like at one point there should have been water in it though. Unless I'm wrong. But yeah, it's kind of, yeah, it looks like it probably should have had water in it. But we got a brush set right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, actually, see that? See where the water levels are on these? Okay. They're all at different, yeah, different angles. So this is definitely like old or defective. Hold on. Yeah, make sure they're all the same height. Let me turn this around. So you can see the water levels are all different heights. So yeah, this is probably old. Not that it really matters because they're just brushes, which is fine. They will still work. Okay. Yeah, so that retails for $20. Alright, and then the last thing here is a palette. This is Lotus Love by B. Bella. And it is cute packaging. It kind of like your standard cardboard packaging. And it has taped on there, one of the little plastic things, so I guess that's nice so you don't lose it. I'm going to pull it off right now. I'm not going to touch anything though. I really don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. We got purples, pinks, not so much in the way of neutrals. Got a few neutrals. Got those tealy blues at the bottom. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's a nice little palette. I like it. Okay, and so that Bella palette, oh, retails for $12. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So let me know what you think of this mystery box down below. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 items. That's actually really nice for a mystery box. That's a lot more stuff than I would use than like from my Ipsy. Oh my god, my Ipsy or my Boxycharms. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. No need to hit the notification bell though, because I'm a crazy ass and I upload every single day at 10 a.m. So I will talk to you later. Bye.